Top 3 World Cutest Cats. Scottish Fold. The folded ears and round, affectionate appearance are key traits, making them especially popular among families and children. Persian. Their long fur and blunt face give them an incredibly cute and elegant look. Their calm personality also makes them a great addition to any home. Siamese. Siamese cats are very active and sociable, enjoying interaction with their owners. Their unique coloration and bright blue eyes are particularly endearing. Actually, all cats are cute.